This is an important part of Hubud to me. Now we're going to start to transfer from left side to right side, so I'm going to start to show you our switches. I have 3 switches that I want to do. Troy's in. All right, so we're just going to start with the number 5 Hubud. We've been doing it. You should have this by now. If not, you got to go back and get this before we go any further. So we got the 5 for 5. Let's slow down so they can see it. First one is I want to scoop, and I'm going to punch back. See how he just wrote it over? Now he's on the opposite side of his body with this. I scoop, roll over. What's that scoop called? Paglibut. So when he goes, I just scoop it. So from the 5, I scoop, right there. Slowly scoop. Troy's got to track me back. Or if he doesn't, I get that hit. So when we go, after I scoop it, he rides it back. So both sides, I feel, are learning a lot right now. I'm teaching myself how to get that scoop and a hit. He's learning if he scooped, he can track it right back and deflect the blow. So I really like this one. I think the benefits are enormous with it. That's it. See how I scoop it? Just little scoop, shoot right back in. Little scoop, right back in, okay? So this is the first one. Paglibut. And then he does what? Pa'awas. Okay. That's it. That's it. So, or English is scoop and parry. Okay, that's my first one. Now, we're going to go to what they say, parry inside and switch. So this one, a little more like boxing when I feel it. I feel you parry and you hit. You see it? So he punches, I parry it, and I shoot to the other side. Okay, parry, shoot to the other side. Parry, shoot to the other side. So let me slow it down so you can really see it. I parry it. I throw the other punch, and then he just picks it up. I parry, throw the other punch, he picks it up. Okay? Slowly. I really got to go slow with these just so you could see it. I don't want you to miss any calibration of what I'm doing. Okay, so now watch. I parry it. I want to just shoot that punch and punch. So it's me going and throwing that cross, okay? He's not going to let me get away with that. He tracks me over, and then he just goes into that outside gunting. So I parry it, he tracks me over, and he gets the outside gunting. And it puts us right back into the drill. Parry and shoot the punch. I parry, he parries it back. Do you see it? I parry inside, he parries outside. Parry, parry. That's it. So that's our number 2. Okay, going into the third one is inside Hubud. Now, inside Hubud is the exact same as outside Hubud, but I'm inside. So what I mean by this is he doesn't have to switch. Don't switch yet. I'm just going to go right here. See it? We're both doing inside Hubud. I can go back outside, or we could just constantly switch. You see it? So I can just go right here. So really slow. Outside Hubud. I go inside, he parries me over, he goes outside. I go inside, I go inside. See, this just could be constant switching. Let's slow down even more. Parry, hit, trap, punch. Same thing as we've been doing on the outside. This is the exact, no difference. The only thing is I move here and continue the exact same motion. So I'm just staying inside. Troy's outside, okay? So let's review this. I can scoop, I can scoop, I can parry and punch, I can parry and punch right there. Or I can go inside Hubud,